donation from the Buddhist Association of Guangdong Province and the Guangxiao Temple in Guangzhou City. So the Buddhist Association of China is a little bit like the Sangha committee, something like that in China. So it is an official organization of Buddhism in China. And our director, the director of EBBE, he is currently the vice president of BAC, that is Buddhist Association of China. So this is our official website, and what we have been doing, I'll introduce a little bit. So this is our director, Venerable Ming Sheng. He's the director of the base. So EBB aims to promote Buddhist international exchange mainly in 4 ways. So we have been divided into different groups. Currently, we have translation group, we have research group, teaching group, and multimedia group. So we not only focus on translation Buddhist texts between Chinese and English, and we also have some other languages, like we have Korean, Japanese, German, Thai, etc. Also, sometimes we will be invited to the international conferences or forums and to provide them with interpreting services. We'll see it later. We have some photos there. And for the research group, then our focus is mainly on the modern developments of Buddhism. Currently, our research group is not very full-fledged, but we are still working on it. I think in the future we may organize more conferences, and I'm looking forward to seeing you, joining our conferences maybe in the future. Okay, and multimedia group, so we also create videos, and we used to complete a project that is an e-tour guide for temples. It's multilingual. We have English version, Korean version, Japanese version, Thai version, Germany version, Russian version. So it's kind of like if you scan the QR code and you can simply travel around the temple on your phone, and with audios. So with you can listen to the introduction. And teaching group. So we are designing some textbooks for monastics in China, because in China the Chinese monastics, many of them lack the capacity of English in the Buddhist context, which means that there are a lot of Buddhist terms, but maybe you can speak very good English, but you may not know how to speak such Buddhist terms in English. So we designed such textbooks for these monastics, and we will choose those sentence examples related to Buddhism. And we also organize English training courses. And this year, just in September, we just organized an English training courses, and we have invited a lot of scholars, lecturers from abroad, mainly from Thailand, and also from Cambodia, Vietnam. I think a lot of lecturers to give us lectures. So this is what we mainly do. And we also, this is our interpreting activity in China. We just finished in October. So the EBB completes translations and interpretations for the 5th Maritime State-World Buddhist Forum. So we joined such kind of forums, and we served as interpreters and translators in such kind of forums. And this is in the seminar, a part of the Buddhist forum, and we are, so a few of us, and the monk in the middle, the monk in gray robe, he's the executive dean of our EBBE, and he graduated from Mahachula Longkong. He also used to visit Myanmar, visit a lot of meditation centers. As far as I know, he used to visit Pa'ao, Daingu, and Sunlun meditation centers. So I used to discuss meditation with him a lot. So, and this is,
please wind up, please.
Yes, okay. And so these are some other pictures and activities that we organize. So this is just for my work, and I'm also in the field of meditation. I'm also working as a voluntary interpreter for my meditation master, Ajahn Pramod from Thailand. So this is just like I'm also working as a voluntary interpreter. That's also what I wish to mention, because meditation has occupied a very important part of my life as well. And to wrap up my speech, and first of all, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to ITBMU, because I think because of the 3-year studies and practice here, I have learned a lot, and it has laid a very solid foundation, and it has supported me a lot in my future studies and work. So again, I would like to say thank you.